how much should you actually spend on a hydroponic system for growing vegetables? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ahope Garden Indoor Garden Kit Black. Let's kick things off with the Ahope Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System in black. Priced at $50.39, it caught my eye with its sleek design and bestseller badge. If you want an easy way to start an indoor herb garden, this is worth a serious look. What makes this system appealing is its high planting efficiency. The 3-liter water reservoir, overhead LED grow light, and circulation system all work together to create a mini ecosystem for your plants. This means your herbs and veggies can grow faster and healthier than they would in soil. Plus, with 10 pods, you can grow a variety of plants at once. The see-through water level window is also a game changer, making it easy to know when to refill. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. With 2 growing modes designed for vegetables or flowers, you can choose the right light for what you're growing. The height-adjustable light post means you can accommodate plants as they grow without having to buy new equipment. Just set the automatic timer and you're good to go. Now, some people complained about the light not being strong enough for larger plants. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly growing herbs or smaller vegetables, this won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for beginners or anyone with limited space. This is perfect for you if you're looking to start your indoor gardening journey without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a system for larger plants or a higher yield, but it offers great value for the money. Now, if the limited light strength bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ahope Garden Indoor Garden Kit White. Next up is the Ahope Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System in white, priced at $59.39. This model is very similar to our previous pick, but has a polished finish that looks great in any kitchen. If you're after aesthetics along with functionality, this is worth checking out. This system maintains the same high planting efficiency with a 3-liter water capacity and 10 growing stations. The adjustable height post and dual light modes mean you can grow everything from leafy greens to flowers. The ease of use here is impressive. Just fill it with water, add seeds, and let the system do the magic. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The full-spectrum LED grow lights simulate natural sunlight, allowing your plants to photosynthesize effectively. The timer simplifies your routine even more, giving you more time to enjoy your harvest without daily attention. Now, some users have pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, if you don't like putting things together, this might frustrate you a bit. But once it's set up, it runs smoothly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish indoor garden that works well without complicating your life. Skip this one if you're looking for a more industrial or larger setup. Still, it's a solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your growing needs. Product number 3, Ahope Garden Hydroponics Growing System Onyx Black. Now let's talk about the Ahope Garden Hydroponics Growing System Kit in Onyx Black, priced at $74.99. What caught my attention here is the additional features that cater to more serious indoor gardeners. If you want to maximize your yield, this is worth a serious look. This system has 12 pods and a 5-liter capacity, which means you can grow more plants at once. The smart environmental detection and low water alarm are fantastic features for ensuring your plants get the care they need. It supports rapid growth, claiming to be 300% faster than soil planting. That's impressive. What's really exciting is the one-touch control and real-time monitoring feature. The LCD screen shows you the temperature and humidity, which can help you adjust conditions for optimal growth. The ultra-quiet water circulation system is another highlight. It's so quiet that you can have it in your bedroom without worrying about noise. Now, some users have expressed concerns about the price being on the higher end. But here's the thing, if you're serious about indoor gardening and want to save time and get better results, investing a bit more could really pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, feature-rich hydroponic system that offers great growth potential. Skip this one if you're just looking for something inexpensive or are a casual gardener. But for the serious growers, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, let's check this next one out. Product number 4, URUQ Hydroponics Growing System. Next, we have the URUQ Hydroponics Growing System, priced at just $34.16. This is one of the more affordable options on our list, making it perfect for anyone just getting started with indoor gardening. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this one is for you. The 24-watt LED grow light simulates sunlight effectively, allowing plants to grow up to 5 times faster than in soil. This is crucial if you want to enjoy fresh herbs and veggies all year round. What's really cool is the quiet smart watering system, which runs at under 20 decibels. You won't even notice it's there. Plus, the automatic light controls mean you can set it and forget it most of the time. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. Honestly, if you're not handy or are looking for something that requires no assembly at all, this might not be your best choice. But once you're past that, it operates smoothly. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and easy entry into indoor gardening. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with assembly or are looking for a larger system. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that brings us to our final pick, which is a bit more advanced. Product number 5, Hydroponic Hydroponics Growing System 12 Pods. Finally, we have the Hydroponic Hydroponics Growing System with 12 pods, all for $74.99. This system caught my eye due to its advanced features and larger capacity, making it great for those who want to grow a variety of plants. If you're serious about creating a mini garden, this one is definitely worth a look. With a capacity of 5 liters and 12 planting pods, you can grow a wider selection of vegetables, herbs, and even flowers. The rapid growth rate is a standout feature, promising a yield that's 300% faster than traditional soil planting. That's a significant boost for anyone who wants to enjoy their homegrown produce sooner. The adjustable light post and smart timer are also a big plus. You can customize the light exposure for your plants and monitor their progress easily. The real-time temperature and humidity display help you keep optimal conditions for growth. Now, some users have reported that the price is higher than other entry-level options. Here's the thing though, if you care about quality and want the best results, this investment could pay off quickly with the amount of produce you grow. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity system that's easy to monitor and manage. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest a bit more for advanced features, but it's definitely worth considering for serious growers. So there you have it, 5 hydroponic systems ranging from budget-friendly options to advanced setups. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your home gardening to the next level, there's something here for everyone. Happy gardening!